In this trick, your puppy learns to pull a rope to open a door or a drawer. If your puppy has already learned to fetch, you can use that as a starting point for this trick. I'm just going to wiggle the little dishcloth here and tell JD, fetch, fetch, go get it, fetch, get it, fetch. Good. And I click the instant that the door came open. Once again, fetch. Good. Nice job. Now, if your puppy has not yet learned to fetch, then we're going to break this trick down into baby steps and again use the shaping method. The first baby step might be your puppy just sniffing the dish towel. We're going to click and reward that. So I'm going to do that by holding a little treat behind the dish towel, similar to how we taught ring a bell. Okay, can you get it? Good. And I click her for even just sniffing the towel. And once again, get it? Very good. Next, when she goes to sniff it, I'm going to try and sort of hold out the towel and see if that towel gets in the way of her mouth and kind of goes in her mouth and reward that. Okay, can you get it? Right there. Good. Very nice. Can you fetch? Good. And again. Jada, get it? Fetch. Good. Nice job. Very good. Let's try that with some other puppies. Get it. Get it. Good. Good job. Once your puppy understands to grab the towel, you now have to get him to pull on it. This is a delicate balance. Just watch for the tiniest pull and reward that. Sometimes your puppy will bite the towel and immediately let it go, expecting a treat. Just tell him again, get it, and try and get him to do it again. Let's recap this trick. Very good.